Good morning, Alex. How are you doing today?
Good morning, teacher. I'm fine, thank you. I was wondering if you could give me some tips on how to improve my English speaking skills.
Of course, Alex. Speaking English fluently takes practice and patience. Here are a few tips that might help you. First, try to speak English as much as possible. Engage in conversations with your friends, family, or classmates in English.
That sounds good. Sometimes I feel shy because I make mistakes.
That's completely normal, Alex. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. Don't be afraid of them. Learn from them instead. Also, listening to native English speakers can help. You can watch English movies, listen to English songs.
I enjoy watching movies. I will try to watch more English ones.
That's a great idea. Also, try to learn new words every day and use them in sentences. Reading books, newspapers, or online articles in English can expand your vocabulary.
I will start doing that. Is there anything else I can do?
Yes, practicing speaking with someone who is fluent in English can be very beneficial. If you don't have someone to practice with, try speaking in front of a mirror or recording yourself. This can help build your confidence.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith. These tips are really helpful. I will start practicing them.
You're welcome, Alex. Remember, the key is consistency. Keep practicing and you will see improvement over time. Good luck!
Thanks again. I will do my best.